Okay everyone, here is an 18-inch speedboat I made out of a junk one. It was just a bare hull. And I turned it into a dragon boat. You can see the decal I made, the sticker for the sides, to replicate where the Japanese women used to paint it on the boats. I can't paint that well, so I made a sticker. Anyway, there you go. The eyes have a red LED bulb in them. I'll show that in a second. It's a really nice boat. It's got a lot of fittings on it. And frankly, if I don't sell it for what I want, I'm going to keep it. I have to start keeping some of these boats. I'm making all these things, but I'm not keeping them. All fittings, new old stock. The windshield's mine, the dash plate's mine, air scoops are mine, and the ball stanchions are mine. I got the thousands of dollars of tooling to prove it. But the bullet lights, the mast, the Buick bow ornament, switch, of course, steering wheel switch, and the little cleats on the back, and the twin props and the rudder and everything are all new old stock K&O parts. And on the inside, I have two of my can motors. I polished them up so they look nice. All the battery contacts are new old stock. Of course, the wiring is all new. I cleaned up the inside of the hull real nice. Now I'm going to turn it on, and this puppy screams. 18-inch boats with twin motors are rare. Here we go. It's a little tight to get in there with your fingers to turn the switch on, but what are you going to do? Now I got it set up for C-size batteries because they're smaller, lighter, and you can see all charged up, they crank. I also have a new old stock compass that I mounted in the deck that actually works. The blue end is north. The blue pointed part points to north. And if I turn the boat, see, still pointing to north. It works. It's amazing. But anyway, there she is, 18 inches. It's a beautiful boat. I got it on sale on eBay over there. Anybody in the clubs are interested, let me know. That way I can avoid the fees. But otherwise, she's done, good to go. And like I said, if I don't get what I want for it, because of all the time and the fittings, I'm keeping it. So, there you go. Thanks again for all the kind words about my toy boats. RCCraft.com webpage is down. I don't think I'm ever going to bring it back up. It just costs too much. So if you need anything, contact me at RBOJCK@gmail.com, or here on YouTube. You can email me. If you got a boat that needs to be restored, send me pictures to my email address, and we'll go from there. Thanks again.